Good morning student. Today we are going to discuss about Lewis theory of acids and bases. In 1923, American chemist Gilbert Newton Lewis proposed a still broader concept. According to him, an acid can be defined as an acid is a species that accepts an electron pair. Acid is a species that can accept an electron pair. Base is a species that donates an electron pair. Base is a species that donates an electron pair. A Lewis acid is a positive ion or a electron deficient molecule, and a Lewis base is an anion or a neutral molecule with one or more lone pair of electrons. So, do you understand student? According to Lewis concept, an acid is defined as an acid is a species that accept electron pair. Electron pair acceptor is called acids. Electron pair donor is called base according to Lewis concept. An acid is a positive ion or electron deficient molecules. Say a base is a anion or a neutral molecule with one or more lone pair of electrons. So, let me explain with an example. Here, ammonia NH3, it has a one lone pair of electrons. So, it has a lone pair of electron, it is a base. Here boron trifluoride BF3, it is a electron deficient molecules, electron deficient molecule. The boron is a 13 group family and nitrogen is a 15 group family. Here the electron pair donated from ammonia to boron and forming a new coordinate covalent bond, This is the formation of new coordinate covalent bond by donating a pair of electron from ammonia to boron trifluoride. Do you understand student? According to Lewis concept, an acid is a species that accepts an electron pair, or we can say acid is a electron pair acceptor. Acid is a electron pair acceptor. Here boron trifluoride is a electron pair acceptor. It accepts a pair of electron from ammonia and forming new coordinate covalent bond. Here ammonia is a base because it donates a pair of electron. According to Lewis concept, electron pair donor is called base. Forming here adduct, or we can say new coordination covalent bonds, bond or adduct, addition compound. Do you understand student? According to Lewis concept, an acid is a electron pair acceptor, a base is a electron pair donor. So, let me explain the same thing with a clear picture. Here, so boron trifluoride is a electron deficient molecule. The ammonia is a neutral molecule with one or more lone pair of electrons. Here nitrogen is a 15 group element, its valence electron is 5, in which it bonded with the 3 hydrogen atom. The remaining 2 are present as a lone pair of electrons. Here boron is a 13 group element, its valence electron is 3. However, here its octet are not completed. Okay, it needs 2 electron, so it accepts 2 electron from ammonia and forming new adduct or new coordinate covalent bond. Here boron trifluoride is a electron deficient molecule. It is a Lewis acid. It accepts a pair of electron from ammonia. Here ammonia is a electron pair donor. It is a Lewis base and forming adduct or new coordination covalent bond. So this arrow is given. Here ammonia donate a pair of electron to boron. So like this, the new coordination covalent bond will be formed. Do you understand, student? What is Lewis acid according to Lewis theory or Lewis concept? Electron pair acceptor is called a Lewis acid. Electron pair donor is called a Lewis base. Now let us see one more examples. Before that, here the boron atom has a 2p vacant orbitals. So it accepts a lone pair of electron from ammonia to form a new coordinate covalent bond. So we know that the ligand acts as a Lewis base and the central metal atom acts as a Lewis acid. We studied in coordination covalent compound. Boron has a 2p vacant orbital. It accepts a pair of electron from ammonia. You can see here the boron is a 13 group element. It has a vacant 2p orbital. It accepts a pair of electron from ammonia and forming new coordinate covalent bond or adduct. Here the ligand acts as a Lewis base and the central metal atom or ion acts as a Lewis acid. Now let us see one more example for the Lewis acid base reactions. Here H plus the acids. I already told that any ion with a positive charge is called a acids. It is acids. It is a base. Here we taking the water. It is a neutral molecule with one or more lone pair of electrons. Here this lone pair of electron donated to H plus ion. Here water is a Lewis base and H plus is a Lewis acid, forming a adduct addition product. Here we are taking one more example. Here ammonia react with H plus ions. Here H plus ion is a Lewis acid, ammonia is a Lewis base. It donates a pair of electron to H plus ion, forming a adduct addition product in this way. This is a Lewis acid base. Do you understand, student? According to Lewis concept, an acid is a electron pair acceptor and a base is a electron pair donor. So an acid is a, here we can say acid is a electron deficient molecule. It needs the electrons. So base is a Neutral molecules are anion with one or more lone pair of electrons. I hope you understand about Lewis concept. Now let us see what are the difference between Lewis acids and Lewis base. The Lewis acid is a electron deficient molecules such as boron trifluoride, aluminum trichloride, beryllium difluoride. Molecule with one or more lone pair of electrons are called a Lewis base. For example, ammonia, water, alcohol, ether, amine. All metal ions are atoms act as a Lewis acids. For example, Fe2 plus, Fe3 plus, Cr3 plus, Cu2 plus. All metal atom or ions act as a Lewis acids. All anions act as a Lewis base. For example, fluoride ions, chloride ions, cyanide ions, SN minus, sulfate ions. The SN minus is a thiocyanide ions. So molecules that contains polar double bond act as a Lewis acids. Molecule that contains polar double bond act as a Lewis acids. For example, sulfur dioxide, here it will come here, sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide and the sulfur trioxide. Here it is not come here. Okay. Molecules that contain carbon-carbon multiple bond. For example, carbon-carbon double bond, carbon-carbon triple bond act as a Lewis base. For example, ethylene and acetylene, CH2 double bond CH2, CH triple bond CH. It acts as a Lewis base. Molecule in which the central atom can expand its octet due to the availability of d orbitals. It acts as a Lewis acid. For example, silicon tetrafluoride, sulfur tetrafluoride, ferric chloride. All metal oxides act as a Lewis base, calcium oxide, magnesium oxide and sodium oxide. Carbonium ion is a Lewis acid. Carbonium ion, Lewis acid. So any carbon having positive charge, it acts as a Lewis acid. I already told that the ion with the positive charge is a acid. Carbanion, CH3 minus. Any ion with a negative charge is a base. Here carbanion acts as a Lewis base. It is a important long answer or 5-mark questions. What are the differences between Lewis acids and a Lewis base? So Lewis acids is a electron deficient molecules. Lewis base is a neutral molecules with one or more lone pair of electrons. Or all metal ions atom act as a Lewis acids. All anions act as a Lewis acids, Lewis base. Molecule that contains polar double bond act as a Lewis acids. Molecule that contain carbon-carbon multiple bond act as a Lewis base. The molecule in which the central metal atom can expand its octet due to the availability of vacant d orbitals. Or metal oxides act as a Lewis base, carbonium ion and here carbanions. These are the difference between Lewis acids and Lewis base. Do you understand, student? It's a very important 5-mark questions or in 3-mark questions they will ask in board exam. I hope you understand about Lewis concept and example for the Lewis concept and what are the differences between Lewis acids and Lewis base. So what is an acid according to Lewis concept? and acid is a electron pair acceptor. Acid A, acceptor A. So you keep in mind, an acid is a electron pair acceptor, and a base is a electron pair donor. So do you understand, student? I hope you understand about the Lewis concept. If you like my video, subscribe and share with your friends, then you will get notifications. Thank you, student.